Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. Today in this video, we will talk about an extension that allow you to display ChatGPT output alongside with Google. And that extension is completely free. You do not need to worry about some features are missing or likewise. This extension eventually will make things easier than ever to access the power of advanced language model. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me quickly open my Chrome browser first. And before I actually show you how you can install it, let me quickly give you a glimpse of what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Not only it generates human-like text, but you can ask him anything and it's going to give you a very relevant result. And its capability is not only limited to a particular subject, but you can ask him related to any context. Since it has been trained on large amount of text data from internet, giving it a good understanding of wide range of topics and ability to perform various natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization and text completion. Overall, I would say in terms of search query, it's going to give you a very concise and clear output. And it will be really nice to see side-by-side result along with most popular search engine known as Google. So now let me quickly show you how you can install it. For that, here you need to click on these three dots and then you need to look for extension. Now click on View Chrome Store. Let's say you are using Microsoft Edge, and then the procedure also going to remain same. Now here you need to search for ChatGPT for Google. And there we go. Here you can see this is the extension I was talking about and have got 2255 ratings, which is almost 5-star, which also shows popularity and effectiveness of this extension. So simply click on it and then click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension and there we go. How easy it is to install this extension. Let's say you also want to pin it here. Then for that you simply need to click here on this extension and go down and click on this pin icon. And in this way guys, you can always find this ChatGPT for Google here. Now let me go back to same extension and let's see what it is actually capable of. So I just opened it. Now here at FAQ you can know more about it. Now let me quickly close it. Now let's open Google. Let me type here how to cook pasta and hit enter, and here we can see the Google search results and the ChatGPT for Google is also working on it. And there we go. Here you can see we have a very concise and clear output from ChatGPT, which shows the cooking pasta process step by step. Isn't it amazing guys that we are witnessing two different generations of the way we search side by side. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of questions or doubt, do let me know in comment down below and I will try to respond that as soon as possible. You till then take care and bye bye.